To add a Zelle recipient to your Chase account, start by opening the Chase website in your browser and logging in with your username and password. Once you've accessed your account, navigate to the main screen and locate the Pay and Transfer option in the top horizontal menu. From the drop-down menu, select Pay Bills and Send Manual Zelle. On the subsequent screen, click on Manage Recipients and then Zelle Recipients. Next, find the Add Recipient option in the left sidebar and enter the recipient's name, followed by their email address. After clicking Save, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number or click Next. On the following screen, choose the Chase account from which you want to make the payment. Finally, click the blue Add Recipient button to complete the process. Your recipient will now be added to your Chase account, allowing you to send money to friends using Zelle.